Hello guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And for our new video tutorial, so I'm going to show you and teach you uh, how you able to easily insert a mathematical equation using of the new features of Microsoft Word under our Microsoft 365 account. So normally when we create a document with mathematical equations, so it is difficult for us to insert mostly of mathematical equation for the reason that we have different symbols. At the same time, it has square root symbols, underscore. We have overline. So this feature will help you to easily insert a mathematical equation using Microsoft 365. So let's start. So first step is we're going to select Microsoft Word 365. Then we're going to create blank document. So if you are wondering where we're going to find out the feature that I'm talking about is we're able to see it using draw tab and under convert group, so we able to see two options or two buttons. So we have ink to shape and ink to matte. So what features we're going to apply for this for this video tutorial is the ink to matte. Okay, so ink to matte functions is convert handwritten mathematical expression into text. So before we start, so let's try to find some mathematical equation using Google for at least this mathematical equation. We're going to use this for our as our example. Okay. So let's say for example, this three mathematical equations is the mathematical equation we're going to use for our video tutorial. So I just try to insert it using copy paste function on our blank document. So to start, so click again draw. So if ever that your draw tab doesn't appear to your Microsoft Word, so click file, then more options, more, then options, then go to customize ribbon, then find draw tab, and then add it to your customize ribbon. So since our draw tab is already added to our ribbon, so I'm going to cancel this one. Okay, so draw, then click into math. So in an input math input control, so what we're going to see is we have 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. So these are write, erase, select, and clear, and then you're able to preview, okay, the equations that you write uh, uh, in this working area. So when you say write, so you can able to write symbols, numbers, or anything you want to draw and convert it as text. Then erase. So if ever that you committed mistakes on writing your equation, so you can uh, select particular symbols or number, then you can able to erase it. Then select and correct if ever that the control not able to recognize exactly the symbol you want to draw, so you can able to select and correct it on correct on particular symbols you want exactly to draw. Then clear, you're able to clear everything you draw in our math input control. So to start, so by default, right button is already selected. Then we're going to start drawing the first equation. X squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So just draw exactly the symbols and the numbers. So x squared minus 5x plus, okay, 6 equals 0. Okay, so check this first equation if you have a correct equation. So x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Then when you're done, click insert. Okay, so you have exactly the equation, inserted equation to our sample equation. Okay, then for the second equation, so click draw and into math, then try to write it again. So x sub 1 equals 5 plus, okay, we have square root, but before we draw square root, so let's try to draw first number before the square root. But it's up to you if you're able to estimate if your drawn square root is can able to exactly on the numbers. So but to make it safe, so draw the number first. 25 minus 4 times 6, and then this will be the time that we're able to write our equation, square root rather, and then over 2 is equals to 3. Okay, okay, so let's say for example we able to erase and let's try to adjust, then write equals 3. Okay, so let us check if we have correct or right equation. X sub 1 equals to 5. Okay, so we see that instead of plus, we see the symbol is not exactly the plus signs that we want to in our equation. So be able to select this one. Okay, click select and control, then you can able to choose the right symbols. Okay, then check it first again. So 25 minus 4 times 6 over 2 equals to 3. Then insert. Okay, then another one for our last example. So draw into math. Okay, then write x sub 2 equals 5 minus 25 minus 4 times 6. Then square root over 2 equals, so let's say to adjust this, equals 2. Then check it first. So x sub 2 is equals to 5 minus square root of 25 minus 4 times 6 over 2 is equals to 2. Then click insert. So that's it. So that is an easy way how you able to draw or how you able to convert drawing into a simple mathematical equation. So I hopefully that I able to impart knowledge, a simple knowledge to each and everyone. And for more video tutorials, so kindly subscribe, comments, and like my other videos. So thank you for watching. God bless you all.